Alright guys, I thought for a little side project real quick. After all these years, in fact, since I've owned the RV, I think within the first week the handle broke for the front door. And it's not really weldable, it's just, I don't know what the heck this stuff is. It's not aluminum, it's too heavy for aluminum. It's like pewter, like really porous kind of just crap material. I don't know, I have any clue what it is, but it's heavy. But anyway, can't weld it. So I think what I'm going to do is just grind this flat and then put this on the drill press and put a hole right through it. And then bolt this plate back on. You can see I tried welding. Wasn't too worried about getting it centered because it won't matter. So I do think over time that may end up spinning. It's probably not a bad idea just to run a pin through there. Alright, no luck trying to drill through this bolt, so I just drilled a really big hole on this side down to the bolt, and I'm going to just put a bead on the side of the bolt so there's no way it could spin inside the handle. Also broke off a small drill bit in there, so this should be pretty solid. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put a little tack weld in there just to keep it completely secure. Alright, I think that's stuck to the bolt. Should keep it put. Getting that ground down so I can break it off. Alright, and let's weld that on. Like that. Sweet. I'm so happy to have this. I will be so happy to have this back together. Putting it off way too freaking long. Way too long. Alright, I'm thinking that's good enough. Still kind of see some of the threads on the bottom, but I think it's on there pretty decent. Let's clean it up a little bit. Oh my god. That is so weird having a handle there. Nice.